Screen. So welcome everyone to the Cambria DEP2 kickoff, the part of Tokenomics DAO. Today I will walk you through what this DAO is about, how we are organized into working groups, and a quick look at our timeline and master plan. So let's start it. So what is the Tokenomics DAO or KTD? In short, we're the infrastructure DAO for this cohort. Our job is to design and pilot the CAT towards and privileged framework, a shared non-financial recognition system that other DAOs in DEP2 can actually use and apply. Two things to keep in mind from the start. First, CAT in DEP2 is symbolic. It is not financial. Second, we're not building for ourselves alone. We're building frameworks, templates, and prototypes so that every DAO in this cohort or even the next cohort can apply and run their own recognition model. Success for us look like 2 to 3 DAOs successfully applying the framework, our monthly workflow running smoothly, consistent, and anti-gaming recognition logic and lessons are documented for future cohort. So quick note, we also have an intro space on Padlet. If you haven't filled yours yet, please do after the event, and you can use this space to explore and to know more about your other members in your team. So this is gonna be like a team that you have to work like for the next couple of months. So please take your times and review the other member cards. So now the heart of how we operate, our 4 working groups are connected through a coordination layer. Before I go into each one, note that contribution across the DAO are recognized in 6 dimensions: governance, community impact, learning, documentation, and technical infrastructure. Keep this in mind as we go through the group. So let's go through each working group. First is the framework application working group. This group is the core of what KTD do. They take the CAT rewards and privileged framework and actually configure it for DAOs in the cohort. That means defining contribution categories, building templates, onboarding other DAOs, and ensuring alignment across the cohort. Key roles including framework designer, configuration contributors, and workshop facilitators. System prototyping working group. This group builds the tools that make the framework usable. They design the recognition workflows, create dashboard, prototypes, and work on automation. Think of them as the one making sure the system can actually run month to month. Roles include workflow designer, dashboard builders, and prototype tester. And the third working group is DAO support and audit working group. This group keep things honest and consistent. They review DAO submissions, audit contribution logic, detect any reporting issues, and support quality assurance across the cohort. Without this group, the framework loses credibility. Key roles including review coordinators, audit contribution logic, the audit contributors, and QA supporters. And the final group is documentation and learning working group. Everything the other groups do needs to be captured and make reusable. So this group writes the guides, organizes DAO knowledge, and synthesizes feedback into learning for future cohorts. Roles include documentation writer, knowledge organizers, and learning synthesizers. So you've already been provisionally assigned into like keep it in mind this is a suggestions and to a certain working group and role based on your background and what you share during like the interview and the application and your interests as well. So these are all like in the slides, and this will be sent to you like right after the meeting. Um, so so here here the first one is the framework application working group. The lead of the group will be Shivani. The second one which is system providing prototyping working group. The working group lead is currently assigned to Clemens Ruhi. The third one is DAO support in audit working group. Lead is Andrew Mogami, and the final working group is documentation and learning working group. The lead is Mario John. I see like Shivani raised hand. So do you have any question?
Yes, could you go back? I just wanted to take a photo of it, please.
Okay. So this is this one, right? Mm, so
Yes.
please don't be worried. We will send this slides to you, to all of you after the kickoff meeting. So okay, so move on to like the final one is the coordination layer. Here either in the primary DAO lead is currently assigned to Shivani. Co-lead is Gabriella, and the lead of system prototyping working group is Clemens Ruhi, and DAO support and audit working group is Andrew Mogambi, and documentation and learning working group is currently assigned to Mario John. Um, so um, please please take time to review the slides and your assignment, and if you want to change anything or raise any suggestions, please do it by May 24. Yeah. So here's a quick run through the key phases and days. Right now we are in the phase 3 onboarding, running through June 19 this week. Vote on your weekly meeting time slot via when to meet. We have sent it to you in the Tokenomics DAO Discord group. And starting from May 25, we work on the master plan. June 1 onwards, we're gonna be working group finalize their own plans in alignment with the master plan. The big deadline is from June 8 to 20. Is for submitting the master plan and working group plans to your DAO facilitator via Drive. And the DEP onboarding since meeting is a fixed event on June 19 to confirm your attendance. Phase 4 is the execution phase. Kicks off from June 8 and run through late August. Key milestone include DF review from June 15 to 18 to and finalize plans from June 18 to 21, then submit and vote on each DAO from June 22 to 29. That's like an important timeline, so please don't miss it. And in like and the first payment 70% arrives from July 6th to 10th. Executions run from July through early August, and final report and documentation deadline is August 21, and the second payment 30% follows August 24 to 28. The program wraps with phase 5 on October 2, the DEP 2 summary and DEP 3 info session, which includes post-program reports, DAO review surveys, and tech recognition rewards and certificates. Um, so very briefly on the master plan, you need to produce this as a team over the next 2 weeks. It covers 12 sessions, your DAO mission, impact goals, regeneration strategy, working group structure, budget breakdown across 3,000 USDT seed fund, synergy and collaboration framework. Um, Tokenomic recognition logic, execution timeline, documentation standards, risk management, and a readiness summary. Uh, the example in the slides give you a solid model. Framework application get framework application get 800 DAO support and audit. Yeah. So uh, these are the example. So please use all of this as a reference to working on your proposed master plan. Uh, yeah. So we will send all these slides and all the DevDoc links to you for you to review in your own time. So uh, your immediate next steps after the kick-off the events is first to review the member intro cards and working group assignments and raise any questions or any other suggestion by May 20. Complete voting for weekly meeting time slot. The instructions is released on Discord and take initial steps to discuss with your teammate to break the ice and know each other to finalize the master plan and check key milestone for KTT DAO on DevDocs. So move on to next session is the sharing from KTD member. I would like to invite New to facilitate this session.
Hello, everyone. Hi, my name is Yuhuns, and together with Ngọc and Uyên, I am your DAO facilitator. And as we've introduced about cat economic DAO and ourselves, we want the next 10 minutes is your turn. And I would like to invite first Mary Chun, the girl from Philippines. Can you turn on your mic and share about yourself and what motivate you to join the KTD?
Hi everyone. Can you hear me?
Hello. Yes, I
Hello.
can hear you.
Yes, good day everyone. I'm Marielle from the Philippines with experience working as a project accountant for solar EPC projects. My work has involved budgeting, financial planning, cost management. So basically helping ensure projects are sustainable and efficient in the long term. And that's one of the reasons I was drawn to the KTT DAO. Correct me if I'm wrong, but based on my own understanding, KTD is a community focused on learning and discussing how digital economies and incentive systems can help projects and communities grow sustainably. I became curious about how tokenomic works and how fair reward systems can encourage participation, collaboration, and long-term value creation. I'm still new to this space. I'm a beginner, so please be patient with me. But I'm excited to learn from everyone here, connect with people who share similar interests, and contribute however I can. Thank you, and I'm happy to be part of this journey with you all.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, Mario. Um, and next, I would love to hear about a boy. I would love to hear about Shibani. Rahman Shibani. Can you share about yourself and what drew you to cat token Nomit DAO? Uh, Shibani, can you turn on your camera? While waiting for Shibani, I think we could love to hear about
Yes.
Andrew.
Uh,
Yes. Hi, hello, Shibani. Yeah.
c-
Can you share about
yes,
yourself
yes.
and
Sorry, I
then
couldn't hear
yeah.
you there. Yes, yes. Well, my name is Abdurrahman Shibani. I am from Libya, North Africa. I've been operating in the sphere of software development now for the past 5+ years. I have had the opportunity to post on the board a bit about myself. I've worked in startups, I've worked in established companies, but mostly my experience has been in startups, working my own startup as well, related to analytics, using predictive modeling, and writing my own research paper when it comes to stenography and AI agents. And now, when it comes to the DAO, I see it as one of the most profoundly impactful opportunities to uplift people in different spheres of life and different walks of life. So it's I also had the chance to talk to Mr. Andrew, which was great. We connected through the board, and I believe we will have a great plan and an impactful project as much as anyone else, or sometimes even more. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot, Shibani. And I see a lot of familiar face like uh, that I have met in the interview, like Sahis or Akundeku. But I would love to hear about like Andrew Mogamit, Mogabi. Can you share about yourself and then what drew you to our DAO?
Hello everyone. Thank you, Nu, for your brief intro. My name is Andrew Mogambi. I'm glad I recently was part of the cohort one for the first DEP cohort one. My experience was nothing short of exciting. I got to understand how the DAO works. It was my first time working in the DAOs and also being part of the group leads. Recently, I've managed to meet one of the DAO members, approximately 5 members on my end. There were others who had already sent a message saying that they won't be attending the onboarding, which will be happening today, but they'll be looking forward to get maybe a recording session where they can just keep up. So as Abdul Rahman has already mentioned, I've already talked to them and seen what they bring to the DAO and also how we can actually connect and also make sure that we offer seamless solutions, because I came to realize that the KAT DAO is more of the connection point for all these DAOs. So it's more that important that we connect and actually be more conversant with each other, just as we are onboarding. Just to brief a few, I think I just have to stop here. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. And thanks for sharing about your thought on KTD. I want to thank all KTD members for participants and then supporters.